To part 4. Welcome to part 4. That cut me off, okay. Isn't it amazing? It's a spider web. Can you see that? Because I see a spider web there. Okay. Sorry, I'm really... Well, there's a spider web there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I see it. It doesn't really matter because I want you guys to see. Also, there is my backyard. I call this place my home. I can never leave, but who knows? I'm gonna leave into the forest. I'm going to the mountains. Okay. As you guys know, I like talking accents. Okay. Oh look! Little flowers! La, la, la. Sorry. I get too distracted. No, I'm in talk. Are those beautiful? Pick one. Those are it. They smell beautiful. Then Buttercup. Buttercup, you drink me? Hot topic is what I just said, and I don't know what part it is. I just started talking about it in part 1 and part 2. I don't know if I introduced it. Yeah, I think you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to post my first video, and I want you to give it a view. Did I? Oh, God. It was a baby grasshopper. Let's see if that caterpillar is inching its way here. Because I'm trying to keep. And right now, scratching my face. I like my finger. I said, pick up anything. Oh, it's gone. Anyway, you got to see the caterpillar. Pretty cute, right? Yep, this is in here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Nature walk.